Check this out, guys. You can barely see that in there. This is a platform for an aerial tramway hidden in the forest. And I found something else hidden in the forest on the other side. Look at that. It's some sort of a structure of some sort. What the heck is that? Let's go take a look. Whoa, gotta be careful. I don't want to fall down. It certainly isn't a house. Oh, it's slippery. And it certainly doesn't seem to have any windows. Don't see any doors. Crash. Probably certainly a farm structure of some sort. Here's the tramway we were just looking at. I'm directly under it now. Concrete foundation. Bamboo has a vine tied around it. It looks like rope, but it's actually vine. I see, looks like a valve of some sort here. I see an opening down there. Ooh. What could this be? I see another station. Some sort of a device over there. Look at that. Got a handle on it of some sort. If this was a movie, I think they would be cueing the scary music right about now. Oop. Crunch. There's more tram station. This is indeed a tram station. The top end line would have extended down through the forest there. And this looks like a, well, I don't know just what it is. Let's take a look. See an old broom. I love the fact that the light on my new camera just kicked on automatically. I love good technology. Smell gasoline or diesel or some sort of fuel. There's a pit. This is probably water storage, maybe. Looks like a drain. This ladder doesn't seem intact. I'm sure that that is just another water unit up there. Look at this. This must be for measuring depth. Bamboo. It's got markings on it. How did they use it to? Or they did use it for measuring depth. Do I dare climb this ladder? Put my weight on it. Let's peek over the edge. Aha, it is indeed another cistern. Hesitant to put more weight on there. Let's see. See anything down there? Water? I don't know. Whoa. Watch my feet there. Balanced on this thing. Holding on, but I've got no weight on the ladder. That's probably not safe. Okay. And jump! Well, certainly a farm structure of some sort. One the likes of which I have not seen before. Here's an old scale. More stuff. Bamboo. A fan of some sort. I think that this netting is used as a filter in a way. Shutter. Well, certainly a farm structure of some sort. Love finding stuff like this. Look at this. Just a little more. Little rust and wheels and rust. Wheels and rust and labors of the past. This, look at that bad boy bent off the edge there, I think. Or maybe that's the way it's intended to be. The line goes up to hold it. Oh, that's a stabilizer of some sort. And there's a staircase over here. Looks like stairs leading up there. Around the side, rotten wood. Oh, this is the stairway. This is the way to get up and down. It's all overgrown. Check this out. Step, step, step. The farmers actually put in these stones. They improvised a stairway as well. Here, let's take another peek here. See if we can do so safely. What am I standing on? To make sure this isn't some roof or something. It's going to collapse in on me. Nope. Okay, let's take a peek in here again. Switch on the light there. You know what? I am standing on something. I don't like that at all. I think this is the roof of something. It was creaking. That would have been the poops to fall inside something. No. No, don't fall inside, please. Okay, let's go up here. Another peek zone. Let's look in here. Can we peek down here? Switch that light on camera. To what is that? Is that? I think there is water down there, isn't there? See water floating? Water float. Objects floating in the water around there. It's corrugated tin roof. Oh yeah, definitely water. Look at that. What is that? Something floating on the surface of the water. There's definitely water down there. Let's take a look. Nothing to see. Okay. Back up to the top here. Metal here. There's an old ladder over here. Look at this. Yeah, stairs. Whoa! Look at the line creeping along here. Isn't that great? I don't want to cut myself on this rusty metal here. I've got a stick in the ear. There it is. More gears and turning stuff. And we burst from the forest onto the road. That was fun. I love exploring and discovering what was to once to some utility to somebody. A curious thing to see. Take care, everybody.